Hello, this is Pamela. Welcome to my channel. Grab you a cup of coffee, sit back and relax, and enjoy some good old yarny talk. Hello, this is Pamela, and you're on Pamela's Adoring Crochet. Welcome to my channel, and if you are new to my channel is mostly all about crochet. I love yarn, I love giveaways, I love showing off all my finished projects, and I even have a Whip Caddy segment, which is works in progress on a 3-tier rolling card. I guess you could say. But anyway, welcome to my channel, and I'd like to say thank you to all my new subscribers, and thank you so much for all of my returning subscribers. So yeah, grab you something to drink real quick, because I have some stuff to show you guys today. So yes, it's been really busy around here, not necessarily with crochet, but I have been trying to slide my crochet in the best I can, because it's just life. It's just been really busy this week. Over the weekend, really the end of last week, over the weekend, and then it will be for the rest of this week. It's going to be a crazy week. I've got to take my little puppy to the vet. My husband is having eye surgery. It's just a lot going on. And anyway, it's going to be a very busy week. If you're wondering about this top, this is made by me. I do have a tutorial on this and a pattern that I sell on my blog and on Etsy. And the tutorial, I will leave the link below for the tutorial for this. This is the Simple Summer Cardigan, I believe the name of this is. It is just one of my favorites that I have out there. All right, so, oh yeah, before I show you what I made, I just want to tell you this. This is a pattern keeper, and Crochet Corner, let's see. Yeah, that's it, Crochet Corner. She has a YouTube channel, but she sells these books right here. And you can have different fronts. She lets you choose the different types of pictures you want on the front of your book here. But look how thick that is. And oh my gosh, I can't live without it. I've had it for maybe at least a good couple of months, but I've been so busy that I haven't been able to take time out to really go through it and incorporate it in my daily crochet life. But I have over the last few weeks. And I just want to show you that it's a very thick book. And like I said, I can't live without it. She does have a YouTube channel, and I believe she even has giveaways on these. But see, I've already started. Look at that. Now, where it says pattern ideas, I'm not necessarily going by that. I am actually using every page that I can use, no matter what the top says up here. I'm using it to write my patterns in. I don't know. This will take a very long time to go through. But, see, there's notes. Using it for pattern. Now, for my pattern ideas, since it's grid, this will be where I do a lot of my, you guys know how I draw things out. I color it in and stuff like that. So that's where this is going to, that kind of stuff is going to be. Right now, I just have something written on it. Let's see. Oh, the October free pattern for my doll website for Adoring Doll Clothes is doll and child hair scrunchie. That was my note. So, but yeah, see, I am really going through this book. I'm just writing my patterns down. And my goal is to eventually have only this book. Because, guys, for my written patterns, I have tons of little small notebooks. And I'm just so tired of digging through those little notebooks that I'm going to faithfully just write everything down in this. Now, somehow, I would like to get some of my other little notebooks and transfer them over into this, even if I have to buy another one of these, because I would really just like to know, you know, like when I want a pattern, grab this. It is big, it is bulky, and it did take me a while to use it at first. Weight had a lot to do with it. It was so easy just to grab my little notebook that had no weight to it. And this is, you know, a little heavy. But boy, once I wrote my first pattern in it, I was hooked. So I think you guys, I'll send you a link in case you guys are interested in this as well. It says, for more yarn fun, check out crochetcorner.com. Visit Crochet Corner on YouTube. And she has several books out, but this was called the Crochet Pattern Keeper. That's the name of this one. So, yeah, I think you guys will love it. So, all right, so let's just go ahead and move on. What I wanted to show you today is mostly a bunch of Halloween things that I have finished. Now, my grandson, it's going to be his first Halloween. And so when my daughter she was a month old, she was born October the 1st. Well, her first Halloween, I had her in a little onesie type little jumper, and it had a pumpkin face on it. Well, guess what? I was at Walmart, and they have some. Look at that. So he's going to be a little pumpkin as well. Isn't this just the cutest? I think this was only like $7.88. But he's going to be the same as what my daughter was. And I'm going to put the pictures side by side. And my daughter wants me to do that really bad. So that's what I'm going to do. But yeah, so it snaps right here. And then it snaps, down the leg right there. So yeah, I'm so excited over this. So obviously he's going to be a pumpkin. I went ahead and made him a little pumpkin hat. Now I do have a tutorial for this, but it's for preemies. So I'm probably going to go ahead and do another one for the bigger hats. But yeah, so that's it. And oh yeah, and I know she's going to take pictures of him, obviously being his first Halloween. So I thought this would look really cute. Sitting over there somewhere where he's sitting, Anyway, it's just kind of a silly face, but mine came out almost kind of mad looking. I don't know. It's supposed to be wonky. But I did find this on Stringy Ding Ding's website, I think. Yes. In fact, I wrote that in my book here. Let's see. That would have been the last thing I made. It's called Cartoon Pumpkin by Stringy Ding Ding. Yeah. Cartoon Pumpkin. That's it. Cartoon Pumpkin by Stringy Ding Ding. But I do like it. I think it's cute. Yeah. So go check that out. So now he'll have his outfit on. He'll have this, and this will be beside him. But I didn't stop there, guys. I made some little candy corn to put somewhere in the photo. Let's see. I'm not sure if that one may have come. Well, no. Let's see. Baby block. Candy Corn Cuties. It's by Jen Hayes. Hayes. So I made, let's see. I made 3 of these to maybe sit around his feet or something. Now, I don't know if this is going to be with his pumpkin picture or not. I'm not sure, but I just think they're adorable. And of course, I just couldn't stop there. I made him a candy corn hat. And so he has all these little cute candy corns. But, oh my gosh, guys. I just couldn't stop. Look. A little candy corn. It's supposed to be a cat. Looking in the picture, it kind of looks like it might be a bear, maybe. But it's a cat. There you go. And that's what the backside looks like. I did the best I could on keeping my colors straight. I am not the best, but hey, I get it done. But this right here, it's so cool because this come from a magazine. Let's see. Yeah, the Spooktacular magazine. So I wanted to do this cat last year, but guess what? I never could get around to it. I finally did get around to it though. So I can show my around to it coin. But there it is. That's it right there. So yeah, I finally got to it. Oh my gosh, I just realized I don't have the tail. Ah, I gotta put a tail on there. Oh my gosh, how funny. Okay, so I'm not done with it, but I'm almost. But yes, this right here come from the Spooktacular Crochet magazine. I have made this right here. This is one of them that I haven't gotten around to yet. That right there. I've been wanting to do the pumpkin one. So I may get to that. I don't know. This has sort of burned me out, to be honest with you, doing this much stuff. I did this in 2 days. Let's see, what else do I have with him? Oh yeah, my niece, she wants one. So this is, I've got her feet so far. Maybe I'll remember to put a tail on hers. What else do I have here? The candy corn. Oh yeah, this is from Stringy Ding Ding. So I made a little ghost. I do love this one. This one is adorable. It's holding a little pumpkin. And this was really easy. So I like this one. That's Stringy Ding Ding. The bat, this is the little ghost. And this is a little bat. These are, and I think I might have his ears wrong, because I'm not sure. It's just hard to tell. But the bat and stuff, I believe, came from one of the magazines. It is out of the Spooktacular magazine. But it's this right here. And I was working the bat, and I ran out of the gray yarn. So I did the wings, little bat wings right here. I did them in the black. But they're little bowling pin type things. So that's the bat. And there's the ghost. Yeah. So I did do that. That really was a lot of fun. What do I have left here? Oh yeah, one more bat. This one right here. This one is, I believe that one is a Stringy Ding Ding. Again, let's see. Okay, there's baby pumpkin hat, block stitch, corner to corner hot pad, doll scrunchie, midnight sweater, cartoon pumpkin, bat by Stringy Ding Ding. So yes, this bat here is by Stringy Ding Ding. Yeah, that's all that I have for this. And if you're wondering about that, that is a project that's not quite done. So that's by She's Got Yarn by Nancy, and I'm still working on that. But yeah, I'll show a whip. I'll have a whip caddy video this week, so be sure and post your caddies in my Facebook group page so that I can get them in the little slideshow. That's always a lot of fun. Let's see, what am I working on today? Today, I will probably finish this for my niece and get that out of the way. And then, oh yeah, I've got to make a hat to go for the little baby. Got the baby showers this weekend. So I made the blanket. And then here's the cowl. And now I'm going to make a little hat and a pair of baby booties before the baby shower this week, and get it all washed up because I want it nice and soft and everything. So, yeah. All right, that's all that I have. Let's go ahead and do our 365 days of prayer. Oh yeah, the yarn that I used for all of this stuff I just showed you was Big Twist. There's a little bit of red heart thrown in, I think, on this pumpkin. That's red heart on him. And on this right here. But the rest of this is all Big Twist. Okay, it says, while I wait. Now they desire a better, that is, a heavenly country. Therefore God is not ashamed to be called their God, for he has prepared a city for them. That's Hebrews 11:16. Father in heaven, I long for the day you establish your kingdom here. Everything good about the world, love, beauty, peace, will only get better, and everything dark will be gone. An end to sickness, addiction, and death can't come soon enough. You can't come soon enough. I know you're preparing a place for me. I can't wait to see it. While I wait, Lord, let me give and receive love, create and experience beauty, inspire and dwell in peace. Help me satisfy my longing for heaven by improving the earth. Allow me, Father, to know you as well as I can and to show you to others. As I wait for your kingdom to come to earth, let your spirit come to my heart. Are you excited about God's coming kingdom? Wow. I wasn't expecting that in here. That's really good. Okay, I totally enjoyed that. I hope you guys did too. All right, so that's all that I have for this video. Please like, share, comment, and remember to live life, have fun, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye. Thanks for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe.